Hi, JP here, and this morning I'm going to show you how to quickly clear your windscreen within a couple of seconds with no fuss, so you can jump in your car and go on that morning when you're running late and everything's frozen over. Check it out. So, you've woken up, you've got ready, you've got out to your car, and lo and behold, everything's frozen over and you're running late. What do? Well, don't panic. You've probably already made yourself a cup of coffee or a cup of tea. Grab yourself a sandwich bag, something simple like a sandwich bag, and pour your hot water from your kettle that you've already done into your sandwich bag. Okay, just the leftover bit, that'll be fine. Don't need loads, only enough for so big, like you're going to carry a goldfish. But hey, and then come with me and I'll show you what you do. So, we've got our bag of water, as I've shown you, simple enough. Now, one frozen windscreen, absolutely frozen. All I'm going to simply do, put that on, like so, rolling it up and down, and within a couple of seconds, my windscreen is completely clear. That's the quickest way to clear your windscreen in the morning when you're in a rush. You don't need to leave your car running with the dangers of it being stolen or using lots of fuel. You literally fill your sandwich bag up with some hot water, walk out, run it over the windscreen, job done. Once you're done but this side, you can then go and do the rear. Again, just using the same bag. So that is the quickest and easiest way to clear your windscreen in the morning when you turn up and everything's frozen over. Hope you find it useful, hope it's something you can use, and I hope you look forward to watching some more videos on our channel, and we'll catch you soon. JP out.